Okay, today we'll see last part of the syllabus in the linear differential equations. This video will be very small. Order and degree of DE means differential equation, sir. What will be order and degree? Okay, what is here? dy by dx. So order is 1 and what is the power here? 1. So degree is 1. Okay, simple example. Okay, order and degree. For example, here what is the order? 2, sir. Enduku d square y by dx square. What is the degree? It is also 2. Order is 2, degree is 2. For example, d square y by dx square plus dy by dx whole raised to 4 plus y is equal to 5. Now what is the order? Is 2. Then what is the high power of this? 1. Degree is 1. Means what? We should not consider dy by dx power 4. We should not consider this power 4, sir. Which one we have to consider? The highest order. The power should be same. So here order is 2, degree. Ante what is the meaning of this? Highest order, whatever power is there, that only we have to consider, not the other one. For example, is equal to 0. Now here what is here? It is in the p by q form. So what we have to do? Just rearrange this first. Whole raised to 2 by 3. Cube both the sides. Then what will happen? Whole square. Whole raised to 3. Means order is 2, degree is 2. Means what? We have to see the order, highest order power should be degree. Okay, 2 marks lo compulsory ga istunar, sir. Okay, now A is given x power 1 by 2 d square y by dx square to the power of 1 by 3 plus x into dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. Now he is asking to prove what is the order and degree of this. So first what we will do? X by whole raised to 1 by 3 minus of plus y. Now what is the power here? 3. In the denominator, sir, cube both the sides. So what will happen? X power 3 by 2 whole raised to 1 is equal to minus of x dy by dx plus y to the power of 3. Now what is the order? 2. What is the degree? 1. Because what is the power of this? Means what? Wherever d square y by dx square dy by dx dani oka power eppudu you should not be in the p by q form. You should be in the power. So what is the answer? Order is 2, degree is 1. Okay, next. Okay, now first rise to 5. So what will happen? Whole raised to 6 is equal to 6 raised to 5. Okay, so again raised to 1 by 6. So what will happen? Three whole raised to 1 is equal to 6 by 5 by 6. So what is the order? 2 degrees 1. Right? Order and degree. Right? Next. There are few problems are there. I told you this video will be very, very small. Next. Zero. So first what we'll do is equal to minus of 4 by 3. Cube both the sides. So x cube whole is equal to 4 raised to 4. So what is the order? 2 degrees 3 degrees, sir. Okay, right? This is order and degree. There are few problems are there. Okay, one more problem should be there. All right. Next. Next one. Is equal to 1 plus whole raised to 3 by 2. Square both the sides. So what will happen? Whole square is equal to 1 plus whole raised to 3. So what is the order? 2 degree is also 2 because ఇక్కడ ఏమన్నా సార్ d square by dx square order 2. What is the power of that? 3. Okay, next. Here order and degree, very, very simple concepts are గుర్తుంచుకోండి. Next. What is the order here? 3 because d cube y by dx cube. And what is the power degree? 1. Enduku sir? You have to consider this power 1. Forget about this 3, 4 is not important, sir. Highest d cube y by dx cube. So order is 3, degree is 1. Right? Clear? These type of problems are very, very important. In order and degree, please go through all these problems, sir. 2 marks istuntaru survey, order and degree. One more problem should be there. All right, next. d square y by dx square is equal to 5 by 3. So cube both the sides. So what will happen? Whole cube is equal to 1 plus whole raised to 5. And what is the order? 2 degrees 3. Right? Next. 1 plus is equal to 2 plus whole square whole raised to 3 by 2. Now square both the sides. So 1 plus d square y by dx square whole square whole raised to 3. Now observe here, this will become what? Order is 2. But what is the degree? Because if you expand, it becomes a plus b whole square, sir. So 2 into 2 is equal to how much? 4. So degree is 4. Right? This is very, very important, sir. Okay. Most important is this. Right? These are the problems. Next one. One more problem. This problem is very, very important, sir. Whole raised to 1 by 4. Okay. Raised to 4 power means what? Whole raised to 1 by 2 plus d square y by dx square whole raised to 1 by 3 is equal to 0, because if you raise to power 4, 0 raised to 4 is 4. Again, whole raised to 1 by 2 is equal to minus of whole raised to 1 by 3. I brought the term this side. Now here LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So again, rise to 6. What do I mean by rise to 6? dy by dx whole raised to 1 by 2 whole raised to 6 is equal to minus of whole raised to 6. So this becomes dy by dx whole raised to 3. This minus will become, because power is 6. So this becomes d square y by dx square whole raised to 2. So order is 2, degree is also 2. Is it clear? So these are the problems, particularly this problem, previous problems. Please go through, sir. Okay, right? Now next one, there is again small part is there, that also we'll discuss. Okay. Now next one is how to form the differential equation. This model is also very, very important. For example, forming differential equation for y is equal to cx minus 2c square, where c is a parameter. Now please understand first problem. First we will find out dy by dx, c into 1 minus 0. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to c. So what is the c we got? dy by dx. Therefore, y is equal to, c is replaced by dy by dx into x minus 2 into dy by dx whole square. So it has become differential equation, means the parameter has to be found out. Okay, next one. Form differential equation for y is equal to c into x minus c whole square, where c is the parameter, right? Therefore, y is equal to c into x minus c whole square, right? Now dy by dx is equal to what? 2c into x minus c, right? Again, d square by dx square is equal to what, sir? 2c into 1. Why? First derivative is 2c into x minus 1, second derivative 2c into x derivative 1. Therefore, c is equal to 1 by 2 d square y by dx square. Therefore, differential equation y is equal to, c is replaced by what, sir? 1 by 2 into x minus 1 by 2 dx square. Means here we have to find c value. Okay, c value is very, very important. Once we find the c value, differential equation can be formulated. Okay, note on this. Next one. Form differential equation. Form a differential equation for y is equal to a cos 3x plus b sin 3x, where a and b are parameters. Right? First, look at here. dy by dx is equal to a into cos derivative minus sin 3x into 3 plus b into cos 3x into 3. Again, dx square is equal to a into minus cos 3x, 3 into 3, 9, because again derivative, again 3 will come, b into 9. Therefore, observe here, minus 9 common, so a cos 3x plus b sin 3x. But a cos 3x plus b sin 3x is what, sir? Y. So d square y by dx square is equal to minus 9y. What is the differential equation? Is equal to plus 9y is equal to 0. So first derivative we have found out, second derivative we have found out, then we know that y is equal to a cos 3x plus b sin 3x, that is replaced by y, so this will become 0, right? Here, note down this. Next problem. Y is equal to form a differential equation. Y is equal to a e power 3x plus b e power 4x. It is similar to sin x and cos x. First find the derivative. A into e power 3x into 3 plus b into e power 4x into 4. So again d square y by dx square, a into e power 3x into 9 plus b into e power 4x into 16, right? Right? Therefore, what will happen? This can be written dy by dx is equal to 3a e power 3x plus b 4b into e power 4x is equal to dy by dx. What is d square y by dx square? 9a e power 3x plus 16b e power 4x. So multiply with 4. Okay, multiply with 1. What I am doing here, observe here. With what, sir? 4 into dy by dx is equal to 12a e power 3x plus 16b e power 4x. Here we are multiplying by 1. So d square y by dx square is equal to 9a e power 3x plus 16b e power 4x. Subtract. This will get cancelled. So I am writing here is equal to minus d square y by dx square is equal to 3a e power 3x. Right? This is what differential equation. Okay, here formation of differential equation rarely is giving for 2 marks, sir. Order and degree is not, sir. With this we have completed the portion. Okay, so please go through all the solutions, right? Thank you.